How to fix Shark air purifier stuck on 0. If your Shark air purifier is stuck displaying a reading of 0, there are several steps to resolve the issue. A common reason for this is the filter life not resetting after you have replaced the filter. To fix this, manually reset the filter life by following the instructions in user manual. The reset process is typically done through the control panel or settings menu on the device. Another possibility is a sensor issue, where the air quality sensor is showing consistently low or zero readings. This could be due to a faulty sensor or calibration problem. Try rebooting the air purifier by unplugging it for a minute, then plugging it back in. Check for any physical blockages or loose connection in the device that could be affecting its performance. Some users have disassembled parts of Purifier to check for internal issues, but this should be done with caution to avoid damage. If none of the previous solutions work, consider replacing the air purifier or trying a different brand that may be more reliable. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.